Beneath the waters of Indus South, a prehistoric industry is booming.
Welcome to America's most profitable reptile, where prehistoric meets profit. Each of these eggs worth over $100. A single nest? $4,000 of future leather and meat.
Make sure that last flat is secure.
Yeah, I got it. The cart is nearly full.
After 65 days, the next generation emerges. 10,000 babies born on this farm every year.
Fed twice a week on whole chickens, these juveniles will reach 4 feet in just 18 months.
They can grow up to 10 feet long.
Wow, that one is huge. Is it gonna eat that bird?
Don't get too close. Let me get a picture.
All right, everyone, keep your eyes on the water. Watch the explosive power. There he goes. What a jump.
Reaching maturity, these prehistoric predators are ready for harvest. Each animal represents 4 years of feeding, care, and growth.
Keep the head steady, watch the tail.
He's fighting hard.
Gums are pink, lungs sound clear. We're almost done here. I got the neck, move in close.
He's thrashing hard, watch out.
Grab the tail, let's move him to the bank.
All right, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Watch the tail, heave.
Okay, set him down easy.
This single hide, worth up to $600 wholesale. By the time it reaches a luxury boutique, a $3,000 handbag.
Blackened over high heat, alligator tail meat rivals the finest fish or chicken. Tender, mild, and uniquely Louisiana.
From Louisiana swamps to Fifth Avenue boutiques, the American alligator farming industry generates over $100 million.
Can you show me where the unique hide tag numbers are logged in the harvest section?
Right here. Each one is tracked from the moment of harvest through processing.
This single farm employs 15 full-time workers year-round. Across Louisiana, alligator farming provides over 2.
This is just one of over 250 alligator farms across Louisiana and the Gulf states, together producing.
I can't believe I'm eating alligator. It's delicious.
Welcome to Louisiana, Chair. It's the best thing on the bayou.
The American alligator, once endangered, now thriving. Proof that conservation and commerce can coexist.
Once endangered in 1967, alligator farming began in the 80s, leading to their recovery by 1987.
The crocodile farming boom, an American industry born from conservation, sustained by tradition, and